My lovely listeners. I hope you all are good and welcome back to this channel, Vicky the Guider. So, in this video, I'm not gonna recommend you of watching English movies, learning grammar, but I'll tell you some of the unusual but super effective ways to practice speaking English that almost no one talks about. So stay with me till the end because these tips will definitely blow your mind. So let's get started. I would say that if you're watching this, literally, if you will follow some of the tips I'm gonna share with you, so definitely will work for you. So first is use role play scenarios. Do role plays by yourself. You can pretend you are a waiter because after every tip I'll give you one example so that you can make your own example when you will perform. So as I am telling you about use role play scenario, so you just do role play by yourself and you have to pretend that you are a waiter taking an order, or you can, let's say, you can be a YouTuber who is reviewing a product. Actually, you are not a YouTuber, but you have to pretend as you are a YouTuber. So, and you are reviewing about the product, or a tourist asking for directions. You become the actor and the speaker in this case if you follow, right? And I would say, for example, you can say, um, if you are a tourist, so how you can make sentences like, excuse me, can you tell me how to reach the metro station? Like this, you can say. And tip number two, talk to pictures. You can open your gallery or a magazine, pick any photo and speak about it for a minute. Yes. Or if you don't want to talk about your own pictures or the memories you shared, you can download from YouTube. Not YouTube, from Google, and you can search. You can talk about that. So speak about it for a minute. Describe what you see in that particular image and imagine a story behind it, or make a dialogue. I would say uh, better you use your own photos, because when you see your old pictures when you visited for, like, when you went for a picnic, or shared some memory with your family members, you remember everything, recalls, and you can better talk about that. So take your own galleries pics and talk about that for a minute, I told you. Or if you have taken a family photo, so you can say like this, that this family looks so happy, or my family looks so happy in this pic. Maybe it's Sunday today, they'd gone out for this or that, we ate this, then we went there, like this, right? And next, what you can do, that you can record your vlogs. I'm not telling you to make YouTube videos, but just for the sake of practice purpose, you just have to do. Just record yourself talking about your day, your feelings, or even your breakfast. Watch them and notice your mistake. When you record, you have your memory, you have your, I would say, data to observe what you said. Right. For example, you can say, hey, today I learned a new word like optimistic. It means positive. Like this, you can say. Right. And the next step is talk to AI or voice assistants. I told you earlier, so you can use a Google Assistant, Alexa, Siri to practice for these things. You can ask questions. You can respond to them after listening to that robot. So like this. And fifth one, shadow real conversations, not actors. You can do with actors as you can start with actors as well, but real conversation gives you real edge. So don't just mimic actors in movies. Shadow real life conversations like interviews, podcasts, or street interviews. They're more actually natural and help you learn real English. Actually, that's a great point. You can say, for example, that's a great point. I've never thought about it that way. So you can say watching that. And tip number 6, create an English personality. How? Give yourself a fun English name, maybe Sam or Sophia, and imagine how that version of you speaks, behaves, and thinks in English. Let's say, hi, I'm Leo. I love reading and speaking confidently. So let's go. Like this, you can say. Or, and tip number 7, and in the end of this, I'll tell you the bonus tip what you can do. So, you can do actually 7 of these things, and extra bonus I'm gonna tell you that if you follow, this will also help you improve your English speaking skills. So, 7th number is dubbing challenge. Try dubbing scenes from English shows. Mute the audio and add your own voice. It's actually fun and improves emotions, fluency, and timing. Let's say, hey, don't eat my cookie, that was mine, like this, you can say. And the last one, that is bonus. Speak English in your dreams. Actually, it's weird to hear, but speak English in your dreams. How you can do that? So before you go to bed, what you have to do, that close your eyes and mentally walk through your day in English. Means whatever you did your whole day, you just have to try, you just have to recall all those things, and visualize and speak that in the morning I got up at this time, my mother called me, I went to market, I met my friend, I played this, I worked. If you are working professional, I did this, I did that, I worked, and this happened in my office. Just memorize and speak. And I would say this is actually powerful brain training if you do this. Actually, this is powerful brain training of this language. So it'll definitely work. For example, as I told you, like tomorrow I'll talk more in English. I can do it, or you can motivate yourself before you go to bed. But before motivating yourself, you have to memorize all those days you did from, like, yeah, since morning to this time, and then sleep. You'll see the results. So that's it for now. Actually, these aren't your boring textbook tips. They are actually fun, unique, and it works, so it'll work. And let me know in the comments which one you are going to try first. Actually, no one commented yet, but I want you to comment about this if you're watching and love this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon because your English journey just got way more exciting. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you tomorrow or in the next video. Thank you so much. Keep learning and improving yourself day by day.